Beginner roadmap to start a health and safety career. Starting a career in health and safety requires a clear plan. Here is the most practical roadmap for beginners. Step 1. Complete your basic education. At minimum, you should complete high school or equivalent education. However, graduates in engineering, environmental science, or technical fields have an advantage. Step 2. Take a safety certification course. The next step is to gain professional safety knowledge. Recommended beginner courses are Diploma in Industrial Safety, OSHA safety courses like OSHA Construction Industry, OSHA General Industries, IOS Managing Safely, NIBOS IGC, NIBOS International General Certificate. These courses teach essential safety principles. Step 3. Learn safety standards and regulations. Safety professionals must understand international safety standards such as occupational safety regulations, environmental protection guidelines, industry safety codes. Understanding these standards is essential for professional growth. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Experience is extremely important in the safety profession. Beginners can start with positions such as safety trainee, safety assistant, and junior safety officer. Working on construction sites or industrial workplaces provides valuable practical knowledge. Step 5. Develop professional skills. To grow in the safety profession, focus on improving communication skills, leadership ability, computer literacy, safety documentation skills, hazard identification and risk assessment skills, incident investigation techniques. Continuous improvement is essential. Step 6. Apply for safety officer jobs. After gaining training, you can apply for roles such as junior safety officer, assistant safety officer, safety trainee, safety officer, HSE officer, safety inspector. These roles offer excellent career growth opportunities. What are those industries that offer health and safety jobs? Health and safety professionals can work in many industries. Construction industry, one of the largest employers of safety professionals. Oil and gas industry, it is a highly regulated industries that require experienced safety professionals. Manufacturing industry, factories must maintain strict safety procedures. Power plant and energy sector, safety professionals manage hazards related to energy production. Chemical and pharmaceutical industries, safety professionals ensure safe handling of hazardous substances. You can ask, how much will I get if I join the health and safety field? Salary depends on experience, certification, and industry. If you are at the entry level, beginners may earn modest salaries while gaining experience. If you are at the mid level, safety professionals with experience and certifications, salaries increase significantly. If you are at a senior level, experienced safety managers and consultants can earn high salaries and lead safety teams. What are the challenges in the health and safety profession? Like any profession, health and safety careers come with challenges. First, worker resistance. Some workers ignore safety rules, making enforcement difficult. 2. High responsibility. Safety professionals are responsible for protecting lives. 3. continuous learning. Safety regulations and technologies keep changing. Professionals must stay updated. What is the future of health and safety careers? The future of health and safety careers is very promising. Governments and industries worldwide are strengthening workplace safety laws. This means companies must hire trained safety professionals to comply with regulations. As industries grow and technology advances, the demand for qualified safety experts will go on increasing. Starting a career in health and safety is a meaningful and rewarding journey. Safety professionals play a critical role in protecting workers, preventing accidents, and creating safer workplaces. If you want a career that offers global job opportunities, professional respect, career growth, the chance to protect lives, then the health and safety profession is an excellent choice. With the right education, safety certifications, practical experience, and continuous learning, you can build a successful and impactful career in the world of health, safety, and environment. If you find this content helpful, please hit the bell icon so that you would get notified time to time. You should give thumbs up by touching the like button. Of course, it will motivate me. Comment below in the comment section. I would be happy to read your comments. Share this video in your friend circles so that they would come to know about HSC profession and they can make their career. As we know, sharing is caring. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.